iOS 27 beta is finally out now, and this update is bigger than most people expected. First, the good news. iOS 27 supports iPhone 11 and newer devices, including iPhone SE 2nd generation and later. So if you have an older iPhone like iPhone 11, 12, 13, or 14, you can still experience the new iOS 27 update. But the biggest highlight of iOS 27 is Siri AI. This is not the old Siri we know. Apple is rebuilding Siri with Apple Intelligence, and according to reports, Apple's next-generation AI models are also based on Google Gemini technology. That means Siri is becoming more conversational, smarter, and more useful for everyday tasks. With Siri AI, you can ask natural questions, get answers from the web, understand what is on your screen, and even take actions inside apps like Messages, Mail, Photos, Music, Reminders, and more. Apple is also adding a new dedicated Siri app, where you can continue your AI conversations across your Apple devices. Another major update is Siri Mode in camera. Now you can open the camera, point at something, and ask Siri questions about what you are seeing. This is powered by visual intelligence, and it makes the iPhone feel much smarter in real life. Photos also get a big AI upgrade. iOS 27 brings spatial reframing, extend tool, and improved cleanup. That means you can reframe your photos after taking them, extend the background, and remove unwanted objects more accurately. Image Playground is also getting better, with more styles and improved image generation. Now let's talk about design. iOS 27 improves the liquid glass design. Apple added better readability, improved contrast, sharper app icons, and a new slider to adjust the glass effect. So if the transparent look feels too strong, you can reduce it and make the interface easier to see. Performance is also improved. Apple says app launches can be up to 30% faster, photos can load up to 70% faster, and AirDrop transfers can be up to 80% faster. iOS 27 also has an optimized CPU scheduler, so the system should feel smoother and more responsive. But remember, not every feature is available on every iPhone. iOS 27 supports iPhone 11 and newer, but Apple Intelligence and Siri AI need newer Apple Intelligence supported devices. So, should you update now? If this is your main iPhone, be careful. This is still a beta, so you may face bugs, battery drain, app crashes, or heating issues. But if you love testing new features, iOS 27 beta is one of the most exciting iPhone updates to try. What do you think about iOS 27? Is Siri AI finally going to be useful? Comment your thoughts below.